Hello everyone, this is Alex from Shenzhen Qifu Technology Company Limited. Today, I would like to introduce our 640 and 480 millimeters LED display tablet for you. This tablet compatible with P1.25, P1.53, P2, P3.076, and P4, and so on. The tablet designed with auto-sync and lightweight design. It's very easy to install, installation, and maintenance. The tablet paired with 320 plus 160 mm LED models. We can fairly assemble any size LED display screens with 4 to 3 details. This tablet also supports front maintenance. We can easily take out and install the LED panels, the battery, the PCB board, and so on. At last, let's enjoy the tablet backside. The die-cast aluminum technology make our tablet board smooth and the lines uniform.